Judge Muriel Robinson is here now and ready to answer your legal questions. Nice to have you with us today.
Nice to be here.
All right, well, let's start taking some calls.
Okay.
Gloria, you're going to be our first caller. What's your question for the judge?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go
I
ahead.
was just wondering, I'm going through a divorce, and my husband gave my boys, which is the ages of 18 and 16, vehicles to drive a while back, before the divorce ever started, to drive back and forth to school and for jobs. Now he comes and he takes one of them's vehicle all the time as like a payback kind of thing. Is there anything that we can do to keep him from taking their vehicle?
Well, you can ask your lawyer to file a motion to have him return the car for the use of the child and you, since that was what you usually did and it was bought for, and it'll be a judicial determination. If he's doing it for spite, the judge is not going to like that and would probably order it back. He may make you share it week to week or something like that. But definitely I'd get your lawyer, divorce lawyer, to file a motion for return of property, because it's inconvenient for you to take an adult child the places they need to go.
All right, Gloria, hope that helps. Thanks so much for calling. Hi, Debbie. What's your question for the judge?
Yes. My dad and my mom have been married and divorced for a number of years. He is my stepdad. My mom has gotten hurt several times. She went Saturday and broke her pelvis, fell down steps, and cut her head open. She's in the hospital now, but he's saying that she will not be coming back home. So what is her legal rights?
Well, if they're divorced, she really doesn't have any legal rights. It wasn't addressed in the decree that he was to pay her medical bills after the divorce. Most of the time it's not. Sometimes they order a spouse to continue the insurance for as long as they can. So you need to check that divorce decree and see what his responsibility to her was medically, or if she was disabled or whatever. If there's nothing in there, then he really, if they're not married, he doesn't have any obligation to do it other than moral, since they, had raised you, but read that decree.
It's a difficult situation.
It is. That's very difficult.
Yeah. All right, thanks for your call. Hi, Eula. What's your question for Judge Robinson?
Yes, I have a problem with an attorney here in Clarksville named Carmack Shell. He represented a client named Alfred.
Go ahead.
And this Alfred Remick filed a lien against a piece of property that belonged to Alan Crossland. And Alan Crossland transferred the property to me to satisfy a loan. And Mr. Remick lost his case in both courts in Nashville. And the release of lien, they are signature title is holding my money in escrow. And they are refusing to release the lien.
Okay.
Well, that's kind of a difficult situation, because I don't really know all the facts to advise you. You need to contact a real estate attorney to see how to get that undone. But it seems like the transfer was made without a title search, so the lien didn't show up. And so that's got to be untangled, and I can see why they're holding the money in escrow until there is a judicial determination. So I would talk with the real estate lawyer or call the bar and get a referral to who handles this type situation. And you will probably have to file a petition in Chancery Court to get free title here, to get your lien released, so the property will be free and clear if it's your property now. But definitely that's why you need a title search, so people don't transfer things with liens on them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's always a difficult situation.
It is. Mm-hmm.
All right. Thanks to everybody who called today. And Judge Robinson, thanks so much for all the help you've given all of our viewers all year long. We really appreciate you.
It's been my pleasure.
Thank you. Hope we'll see you
Merry
next year.
Merry Christmas. You'll see me next year.
Good, good. Merry Christmas to you as well.
Thank you.
All right, we're back right after this.